Okay, welcome back to how to increase your conversions in your marketing. Now in this video, we're going to be talking about more about blogging, and we're going to continue on Pat Flynn's page. Now we just saw the video on Pat's page. Now it's actually an image of a video leading to the actual video, but the effect is the same. It is a video that actually gives you an introduction to his site, and that is very important. It's very prominent, and when we go back to Pat's page, you're going to see how prominent he wants that to be the first thing you see and take action on is to click that link. Now, why that it's a link to the video on another page? That's probably something that they tested. And again, you're going to kind of run into that theme throughout this presentation on increasing your conversions. Test everything. Okay, the other thing is that your pages should load fast. They should really lend themselves to people staying on your page. You don't want them getting turned off because it takes too long for your page to load. And that you'll have to take into consideration mobile also. You want your page to load quickly on mobile also. And once again, probably your goal in blogging is list building. Okay, so if you sell something, I think that's fine. You can always sell better when you get people onto an email list. So you're going to see that on Pat's page again. Prominent on his page is not something for you to buy. What's most prominent is opting into his list. Okay, and at times you can have customer photos on your homepage, and there are ways to do that. Of course, if you're doing social media or some other form of social or Facebook or Twitter, you can actually have customer photos on the homepage, and that will help you decrease in conversions because your customers will connect to your actual page. Now, so let's take a look again at Pat Flynn's page here. Okay, so let's go back to the start here. Now we talked about the video that's going to be on your home page, and of course that's right here. Don't know where to start, you're going to go there. The pages are loading nice and fast. Now, in some cases you can have your Facebook box running down the side here. Okay, so you've got your customer photos there. Okay, and then of course what's going to be right up front is list building, right? Very important. So Pat's got all the important elements that all these things, if you implement them, right? If you can implement these things, these are going to increase the number of conversions that you get from your blog. You're going to increase the number of people who opt in, especially when you make it prominent that that's what you want them to do. Right? And more than likely, if you go to this page and you watch the video, they're going to suggest that you opt into his list. Right? So you're getting a real, just by looking at this one blog, right? You're getting a real education on how you can increase you can increase the number of favorable actions that your visitors take when they come to your blog. So there are probably more than what we've listed here. Take a look and see what Pat's done. See which ones fit your market. Test everything and implement. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.